Hello, I'm Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over ClickUp Forms. I have a form here, but first I want to go over how to create it. So if you want to create a form, you just click on View, and then you select the form and add view. Now, if you already have a form, but you want to add, you can add another form. You can copy the URL to it, make it default view, pin view, all of that. Now, if I wanted to add another form, I would just click on form, I'd click add view, and now it's going to give me a second one so you can see my two forms here. So I'm going to click on the first one that I've already created. I'm actually viewing it, but so if we're in editing mode, you can do a couple of different things here. You can assign the task. So when someone submits the form, it creates a task in your list. So you can assign the task to someone after they fill out the form. You can use a template task. So if, for example, what I'm using this for is filling out like an application or form for a subcontractor. So if you have like an onboarding process, you can create a template task, and then you can apply the task when someone fills this out. It'll apply whatever the template task is. You can also redirect them to a different URL after it's done. You can choose to turn on or off ClickUp branding, and then you can add the answers to the form, to the description of the task. You can turn that on and off. With those, you need to have the business level subscription with ClickUp, and then you can change the colors. You can add your branding. So like I could add our logo here if we wanted. And then once they fill it out, it becomes a task like this. So if I open this task up, it's going to create custom fields for all the things that I filled out. And then you'll see that those answers are here. And then for the file, so I uploaded, in the question, it says to upload a W-9. So I uploaded an empty W-9. So you can see that here. You can also put comments in on attachments and things like that. I can download it. I can open a new tab, copy the URL, or delete it. So you could have people upload W-9s. You can have them upload their headshots or whatever you're looking for. So that's how forms work. Now, to have form view, just the form without the extra adding your branding and things like that, you do need to have the unlimited subscription, and then to have the added features, the business subscription. So that is forms in ClickUp. I think that especially for team member onboarding, even client onboarding, if there's certain questions that you need to answer, I think that forms are great. It could be used for lead forms, so you can embed it on your website, those kinds of things. If I go back to the form here, you can share it, so you can embed it, or you can send people like a direct link to it. So I think this gives a lot of flexibility, to be used in a lot of different ways. We mainly use it for team member onboarding. We use Acuity for scheduling, and have a Zap that sends people from or the information from Acuity to ClickUp. That's how we manage our CRM. But for team member onboarding, we definitely use a form just like this. All right, so I hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe to catch our future videos. If you're looking for additional help, there is a link below that you can schedule a free call, and we can connect, see if I can support you in getting set up in ClickUp. Again, my name is Amalie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting. Thank you so much for watching.